Hey folks, welcome back to the Backyard Railroader. Today I'm working on the railway over the winter holidays. Oh my god, did my railway ever get some damage. And the big pine tree, I don't know what's going on with it this year, but boy did it ever drop a lot of sticks. Past 2 weekends in a row I've been picking up sticks around the layout, and came out today and it's like I didn't even do anything. And I also have a bit of a problem. Not too long ago we had a windstorm, so now I've got a little branch of doom hanging over my layout. I'll let you see that. Hold on. And there it is, branch of doom. And here's my layout, some of the damage that was done. Light pole keeps coming down. I've had some lights burn out back there. Picked up a lot of sticks, but still got more to do. My bridge here, I've had some pieces fall out, so I gotta fix that, put that all back together. And over here I have another light pole that broke. One here that broke. And my crossing, the road didn't survive very well, but the rest of it did. So I think I might try asphalt or maybe a solid piece of plastic. And then here I've been redoing this switch over here, put a bigger switch in. So I had to redo all the curvature of the track. Get it all laid out. Been going through all my track, trying to figure out what works best. And today I went to a train show. So I'll show you what I did at the train show.
I used to live in Germany. They were very happy with it. Family trip when I was 13. I went to the height of 1963. I went to the Heidelberg. Nothing but steam. Put it in the siding. Cool.
Very, very good.
Steam disappeared out of all.
Coming round.
Okay. I'm sorry? Yeah. Did you get everything?
Yeah.
The two sets. Yeah, sure, yeah. That's it. Cardboard fold-up office buildings. They're in St. Catharines.
Okay folks, well it's day 2 of the layout cleanup. My god, did I ever pick up a lot of sticks. I've done some repairing, had to clean out that pond and do a lot of other stuff to the railway. Also had to fix my lawnmower, but anyways, I'll show you what we did so far. Okay, so we've cleaned up all back in here. This was nothing but sticks and everything, and I completely redesigned all of here. I put in a bigger switch so it's more of a gradual turn. Changed the switch there because the old switch was kind of defective. So I had to redo all the track all the way around, try to figure out the curve. And down here we just major cleanup, especially back in there. A lot of sticks and debris. A bridge I used to have back here, it didn't survive. The animals took it out, it was all smashed. And then I also put a switch in here and brought the railway back up this side again. You can see the guys have been working on it. And for now it just comes up here to my shed and I got it stopped here. But eventually it will go back around like it did before. And back here, major cleanup on the pond and around the fountain. So I got that all cleaned up. Pond's all cleaned out. Everything's done nice now. A lot of stick picking up. Still got more to do around the back. I'll give you a quick look at that. As you can see, I still got more sticks to pick up. A lot more debris. Okay, so that's the layout, the cleanup. I'll continue on doing some more today. Yesterday I did manage to go to the train show down here, just down the street from me, and I managed to pick some stuff up. So I'll take you inside and show you what I got from the train show. I don't have too much to show you from the train show. I got down there and the battery on my camera was dead. It had been sitting idle for too long and the battery just didn't last. As soon as I turned it on, she died. So I'll show you what I got. Let's go inside. Okay, so this is what I picked up. I picked up a nice box car. It's brand new. All the parts are still in the packaging, so I gotta put the railings and the ladder on and stuff. I also picked up a few figures, and I got myself a THMB pin. Now, one thing I didn't show you guys, at least I don't think I did, I got another train car. I got it from my son, belated Christmas present, really early birthday present. I'll go get that and I'll give you a show. Okay, and this is the train car I got from my son. It's a Christmas passenger car. And it's got working doors, working gates. Very nice. That's something I've been wanting. I want to put together a Christmas train just for in around the tree, but I want to build it. I don't want to buy the whole thing as one. I want to build it individually. But that's what I got for you. I also picked up this beautiful picture of the Dundas train station. Actually, my wife picked it up and then she framed it when we got home. Beautiful picture. When I was a younger lad, I used to actually hang out in that building and party with my friends. And way up at the top there is the Dundas Peak, which I also hung out and partied a lot at. This is a beautiful picture and a great reminder of the way things used to be. Okay folks, well that's all I got for you for today. So remember, keep the hobby alive, talk about trains, and stay safe. We'll see you later. Bye bye.